In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Todoist for teams. Whether you're new to Todoist or just looking to optimize your team collaboration, this guide will help you navigate the platform with ease and efficiency. First, let's get started by heading over to your web browser. In the address bar, type in app-todoist.com/login. This will bring you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. It's important to have these on hand, so make sure you've got your login details ready. Once you're on the login page, go ahead and enter your registered email address in the designated email field. Double check to ensure you've typed it correctly to avoid any login issues. Following that, type in your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so be mindful of any capitalization. If you find juggling passwords tedious or prefer a quicker login method, Todoist provides the flexibility to log in using your existing Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. Simply click on the option that suits you best and follow the prompts to access your account seamlessly. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to using Todoist specifically for teams. The first thing you'll want to do is create a team within your Todoist account. Navigate to your profile avatar, give it a click, and you'll see an option to add a team. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter a team name. Choose a name that reflects your group's purpose or objectives for clarity. With your team set up, it's time to invite your members. In the team settings, you'll find an option to send invitations. Simply enter the email addresses of those you wish to invite, and an invitation will be sent to their inbox. This step is crucial for collaborating effectively, so ensure everyone necessary is included. Once your team is established, setting up projects is the next logical step. Within your team account, create shared projects that align with various initiatives or work areas. Organizing your workload into projects can enhance productivity and ensure clear direction. Within each project, you have the ability to add tasks and assign them to specific team members. This feature helps distribute tasks evenly and ensures accountability, fostering a more collaborative environment. Lastly, let's touch on some important points to remember. Depending on your plan, you can set different roles for team members, typically as member with basic access or admin with more comprehensive control. Todoist also integrates with other tools like Microsoft Teams, which allows for seamless task management within your existing workflow. Clear communication of project goals and team expectations is vital to ensuring everyone remains aligned and on track. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to managing your tasks and teams more effectively using Todoist for Teams.